Hey guys, Goddard Gray here with Dragon Masters, bringing you a video of a question that I get asked quite often in the world of Amtgard. What awards should woven belts and woven sashes and things like that, what award should that fall under? In Amtgard, there are 3 different arts and science awards: owls for construction, dragons for artistic ventures, and garbers for garb and garb accessories. So I will tell you this, I have received major kingdom level awards for woven belts in all 3 of these categories. It will also vary based on your kingdom. Some kingdoms have a precedent where they're dragons. Other kingdoms have precedences where they're owls. In my kingdom, for a long time, we didn't really have a precedent, so it kind of got shuffled around. Last time I checked, I have 23 awards, 24 awards, something like that, spread across all 3 with a masterhood in dragon. Towards the end of my climb up that ladder, my kingdom landed on it being dragons. And so I'm going to go through in this video today what the rulebook says, what my opinion is on what woven belt should be, and then toss it to you, see what you guys think it should be. So I'm going to first, got my phone here, I'm going to read through what the rulebook says for each of the orders. So we're going to start with the Order of the Dragon here. It is awarded for demonstrating ability in the arts of Amtgard: performance, painting, sculpting, photography, cooking, banners, artistically focused garb, writing, acting, role-playing. And then if you scroll down, I'm on the wiki here, it gives some other things here as well. Given for, okay, outstanding achievements in the arts and sciences such as 2D arts, drawings, paintings, banners, scrolls, etching, and other works; 3D art such as jewelry, sculpture, coronets, ceramics, toys, games; photography, bardics, instruments, dancing, oratory; food, cooking, desserts, beverages, herbal remedies; writing, prose, poetry, informative. So that's the standard for dragon. Let's go look at owl. Pull it up here. So the rulebook definition for owl is they are awarded for the ability in the construction sciences of Amtgard: weapon construction, armor construction, furniture, shoes, belts, etc. A first level Order of the Owl can be awarded for constructing your first legal and functional sword. 10th Order of the Owl might be awarded for a full suit of decorated and articulated armor. If we scroll down here to some of the other suggestions here, it is given for the outstanding achievements in sciences: Amtgard legal weapons, shields, leatherwork, chainmail, plate mail, scale mail, quilted, studded, siege weapons, furniture, camping equipment, etc. Owls. Now let's scroll down to garbers here. Rulebook says for garber, awarded for the creation of garb: tunics, tabards, pants, cloaks, gloves, sashes, pouches, handbags, etc. With some other things recommended here: making nice garb for others, flag construction, superior garb from yourself, court, fighting garb that is not armor, such as monster garb, class garb, color, including hats, masks, gauntlets, cloak, boots, pouches, needlework, etc. So there we have the rulebook definition of the 3. So if I had to pick which order the woven belts should fall under, my first choice is going to be owl. I think owl because it says belts. In the description of owl, it says that this is given for belts. Now the argument is they mean leather belts, that in the spirit of the rule when it was written is it's for leather belts, for carving, for things like that. Which I can see. I'm okay with that, but my preference would be woven belts would fall under owls because that's what the rulebook currently defines it as. My second one that it would fall under would be garbers because it specifically says sashes, and belts can also be considered a garb accessory. Now the hard part is if you include it under garbers, I feel it would be very, very difficult to get a master garber through just belts, just simply because all of the other master garbers out there pretty much make their stuff for tunics. You get some that are out there, but the main people that get master garbers are for their tunics, their embroidery work, sometimes their historical accurate garb, things like that. So I think it would be very difficult for just belts, but that's where I would fall second because the rulebook does say sashes, and that's a lot of what we do in the woven world. And then my third choice would be dragons. Dragons are kind of this catch-all. It is for artistic ability. And because owls and garbers both list specifically the things that we do with our weaving, that's where I would put them. So first off, I would go owl. Second off, I would go garber. Third, I would go dragon. Now, my question for you, in the comments below, let me know, what does your kingdom do? What is the primary, the main way, the main award that your kingdom gives it out? What do you think? Would you rather, if you're receiving high-end awards for your belts, would you rather them be garbers or dragons or owls? Let me know. Thanks, guys, for watching. My name is Godric Gray, and I'll see you next time.